Hey everyone, for this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to blur someone's face on CapCut. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to send someone on video. So let's get started and make sure that you're already in CapCut and you insert your image or video. So now I have my image right here. All you have to do is tap on the effects at the bottom of the screen, video effects, and then look for blur. So just add that, and once you add this, make sure to tap on download at the top right corner and then go back. So now once you downloaded that, just delete this and go back, and then now tap on overlay, add to overlay, and then this video, the one that you just saved, and make sure that it's up to scale. And now that you have this and the first image is not blurry, just tap on the second image and then scroll to mask. So just choose a shape. It can be a heart, rectangle, star, circle, but I'm gonna use circle. So once you're here, you can move it around, and obviously you're gonna want to put it on her face. And you can make it wider, or you can make it taller or bigger, and that's pretty much it. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.